Here we are in St. Andrews on the seaside side of the new course. And this is simply a walkway. Takes you to the beach. The point of this video is just to illustrate just how close the ocean and the beach is to the golf course. So when you're watching on TV, you'll realize that even though people are playing golf, most of the town's attention is on the golf, there's also other things going on, such as beach life and these sailboarder guys that have wheels attached to sails. They're just cruising around, powered entirely by the wind, and they're really going at a rapid clip. First time I've seen this before. There's about 30 of them right in front of us, and then another one, a rogue one, right here. Maybe a learner. But the wind's, ooh, just went up on two wheels. But the wind's really ripping. They're doing pretty funny to see this on the beach. Did not expect to come across this. But here they are, practicing sailing skills on land. St. Andrews, the home of golf, and apparently the home of beach sailing, sand sailing.